Okay, so in stage 1, this length is 1 meter. So the area will be just 1 meter squared. Here we have 1 meter squared. Okay. And if this is 1 meter, okay, and this is a right angle triangle here, this would be 1 over root 2. 1 over root 2. Okay, so this is 1 meter. The area is 1 meter. So this is 1 meter plus this times this, which is half. Divided by 2 is going to be a quarter. And then these guys, okay, that's 1 over root 2, the side length, 1 over root 2 squared. But we have two of them. So we get 1 plus a quarter plus, this is a half times by 2. So it's another 1. So we get 2 plus a quarter. Looks like, this area right here, if you add those two up, you get this, okay, same as that area right there. So we have, up to here, we get 2 plus a quarter. Okay, 2 plus a quarter. Same pattern. These two areas are going to be the same as this one. Okay, this one right here was half. Right? So we're going to get another half. This is also another half. And these two. So this right here was, right, a quarter. It was a quarter of this. So that's going to be, so this was half of the original. Okay, so we're going to get a quarter of that, but we have double. So we get 2, right, plus another 1, so you get 3, a quarter. And here we get another, this gets reduced, we get another quarter. Think about this as a geometric series. This is 1, this was 1. Okay. The second one was 1 plus, okay, take the 1, right, and we're going to take the area up here represented, this area up here represented 1 1/4 of this. In other words, 5 over 4. Okay. The next one, again, it's just 1 plus 1 times by 5 over 4. Okay. Plus. Okay, so visually this part right here, this is going to be 5 over 4 of this. Okay, so up here was 5 over 4 of the bottom here. So this right here was exactly half of the original. Okay, so it's half, and it's 5 over 4 of that. So this is half of 5 over 4 of that. But we have 2 parts. So that cancels out. So it looks like the pattern is 1, and then it's 1 plus 5 over 4, and then it's 1 plus 5 over 4 plus another 5 over 4. Okay, if you continue with the third iteration, it's going to be another plus 5 over 4. So the question was, calculate the area for the 10th stage. The 10th stage, okay, S, which is a T10, represents a 10th stage, is going to be 1 plus 5 over 4. Okay, we're just adding by 5 over 4, so it's going to be 9. This represents the second stage. We get multiplied by 1. This is equivalent to 1 plus 5 over 4 times by 2. So the 10th stage is times by 9. So it's 1 plus 45 over 4. And that's 11 and 1 over 4. So the answer is 12 and 1 over 4. Of course, this is the area, so it's meter squared.